In the world of accounting software, a debate often simmers between two very different philosophies: the powerful, commercial, and widely used system of QuickBooks and the free, open-source, community-driven approach of GnuCash. For many small business owners and freelancers, the question of whether GnuCash can replace QuickBooks is not just about features, but about cost, control, and long-term viability. As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that while GnuCash is a formidable and impressive tool, a complete one-to-one replacement for QuickBooks is not a simple yes or no answer. It's a matter of understanding your specific business needs, your technical comfort level, and the scale of your operations. The foundation: GnuCash's strengths. First, let's give credit where credit is due. GnuCash is built on a solid foundation of professional accounting principles. Its core is a robust double-entry accounting system, a non-negotiable for accurate financial record keeping. This means every transaction debits one account and credits another, ensuring your books are always in balance. For a free, open-source tool, this is incredibly powerful. GnuCash excels at the fundamental tasks that are essential for any business: general ledger and chart accounts. It allows you to create a detailed and hierarchical chart of accounts, which is the backbone of any accounting system. Invoicing and accounts receivable. You can generate and track invoices, manage payments from customers, and keep an eye on what you're owed. Accounts payable. You can manage bills from vendors, record payments, and track your business liabilities. Bank reconciliation. GnuCash provides a reconciliation tool to compare your digital records against your bank statements, a crucial step for catching errors and preventing fraud. Comprehensive reporting. It offers a suite of standard financial reports, including balance sheets, profit and loss statements, and cash flow statements. For a sole proprietor or a very small business operating on a tight budget, these features, combined with the fact that GnuCash is entirely free, make it an incredibly attractive option. It's particularly well-suited for users who are comfortable with the principles of double-entry accounting and are not intimidated by a more traditional, desktop-based software interface. The QuickBooks advantage: what GnuCash lacks. So, if GnuCash can handle all the accounting basics, why isn't it the universal solution? The answer lies in the features and services that QuickBooks has built over decades to cater to the modern, interconnected business. This is where the two tools diverge significantly, and where GnuCash's limitations become clear for a growing business. Automation and integration. This is arguably the biggest differentiator. QuickBooks Online, in particular, is designed to be a central hub for your financial data. It offers automated bank feeds that automatically download and categorize transactions, reducing manual data entry to a minimum. It seamlessly integrates with a vast ecosystem of third-party apps for e-commerce, time tracking, expense management, and point-of-sale systems. GnuCash, as a desktop-based application, lacks this kind of broad, automated integration. While it can import data via formats like QIF or ODFX, this is a manual process and not a continuous, real-time sync. Payroll functionality. QuickBooks has a dedicated, integrated payroll module that automatically calculates wages, tax withholdings, and employer contributions. It handles tax filings and generates W-2s, ensuring compliance with complex payroll laws. GnuCash, as we've discussed before, has no such integrated module. Managing payroll in GnuCash requires manual calculations performed outside the software, making it a non-viable option for most businesses with employees. Cloud-based accessibility. QuickBooks Online is a cloud-based service, meaning you can access your financial data from anywhere, on any device with an internet connection. This is invaluable for business owners who travel, work from home, or need to collaborate with an accountant remotely. GnuCash is a desktop application, meaning your data resides on your local machine. While you can back up and transfer the files, it lacks the real-time, multi-user accessibility of cloud-based solution. User support and community. QuickBooks is a commercial product backed by a large corporation, Intuit, which provides professional customer support via phone, chat, and an extensive knowledge base. While GnuCash has a strong community and user forums, it does not offer the kind of dedicated, real-time support that many business owners rely on when they encounter a pressing accounting problem. Scalability. QuickBooks offers different tiers of service, from simple start for a single user to advanced for up to 25 users. This allows the software to grow with your business. GnuCash, while robust, is fundamentally a single-user system that lacks the granular permissions and multi-user collaboration features of a professional-grade solution. The verdict: a question of scale and simplicity. So, can GnuCash replace QuickBooks? For a solopreneur, freelancer, or a very small business with no employees and simple bookkeeping needs, GnuCash is an excellent, no-cost alternative. If you're disciplined with your manual data entry and comfortable with the software's interface, it provides the core functionality to keep your books in order. For a growing business with employees, complex inventory, a need for automated integrations, or a desire for remote access and professional support, GnuCash is not a viable replacement. The time and risk associated with manual payroll calculations, lack of integration, and single-user access would far outweigh the benefit of it being free. QuickBooks, with its scalable plans, automated features, and comprehensive support, is a better investment for these businesses.